Tristan! Hey! Oh, we found cars. I was just going to record him running around. Hey! Why is this so blurry? Baby! Whee! This is Mommy's room. No, don't touch that. That's caca. No, no, no. It's Mommy's closet. And bathroom. Run, run, run! Run, 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 run! Whee! You can go downstairs. Mommy's got to help you. Come on. Come on. No? Okay. Really? Whee! Run, run, run! Why don't you go to Tristan's room? I know, so much room, huh? There you go. Go to the left. That's your bathroom. Is Dad over there? That's Brother's room. Justin! That's Tristan's room. Yay! Don't touch that. No, 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 no. No, that's outlet. Ow. See, you shocked him. Dad, will you pick up? Huh?
Said this door's cracked.
Okay. He's gonna like our back window because all the cars.
Well, hopefully the amount of time they have to fix this shit is enough.
Well, they still have days right now. Tristan, come on, let's go downstairs and look.